You may be a homemaker, a job seeker, or a working professional or a business owner as well. Now, if you are any one of them, you may have definitely come across a person or any of your friend or relative who is a homemaker and want to do something of their own. Now, in this video, I have created 7 business ideas that a homemaker can start do from home, sitting at home. Now, my name is Sushmita and you are watching my YouTube channel, Sushmita Madhu. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, there is a subscribe button. Click that subscribe button, and to get all the notifications of my all future videos, click the bell icon as well. All the 7 business ideas that I'm going to put in front of you are already proven. I mean to say, somebody else has already worked on these business ideas and they have succeeded in that particular profession or that particular business. Now, all these 7 business ideas are ranked randomly. I have not placed them first rank, second rank. No, they are randomly placed. You can choose any one of them. So the first business idea in my list is YouTube. Definitely, if you are a homemaker or if you are a housewife, you can choose or you can become a YouTuber. If you are good in something, start taking or creating video with the help of your mobile phone and start uploading this video as well. Now, if you are a dancer, if you like dancing, start taking dancing videos. If you sing well, start taking singing videos. If you cook well, then why not create recipes, take videos of them and upload that on your YouTube channel. Now, I have seen lot of homemakers and they are doing extremely well. Very nice. Within 1 year only, they have reached 2 lakh subscribers. Can you imagine? Within 1 year, 2 lakh subscribers homemakers have achieved. That's a very good level. That is a very good achievement, I can say. So YouTube or becoming a YouTuber is the first source of income or business idea in my list. The second business idea is selling saris or dress materials or apparels, I can say. Now, there are plenty of apps. Meesho is definitely one of them, and this video is not sponsored by Meesho. This is as per my research and proven ideas. I'm sharing this idea with you. Meesho is definitely a very good app where homemakers can register themselves and they can start downloading the images, upload those images on your social media, maybe Facebook or Instagram, also on your WhatsApp status. Now, when you start posting these images, if anybody come and show their interest to buy these apparels, you can put your margin and you can sell these apparels to the people who have shown interest in buying these stuff. Now, in that way also you earn very good commission. I can say for one apparel you can earn 500 rupees as a commission. So if you sell 2 apparels per day, definitely 1,000 rupees you will be earning. I would say that every day you'll be able to sell 2 or 3 apparels. Some days you may be selling 5 apparels or 10 apparels. Some days you won't be selling any apparel. So it totally depends on how actively you are posting the apparels on your WhatsApp status or on your Facebook fan page, Facebook account or Instagram account. So the second business idea in my list is definitely Meesho, using Meesho app or very similar kind of apps and selling saris. Now see, for becoming a YouTuber or to sell saris using Meesho app and all these things, you need not have to invest anything. All this business idea, whatever I'm explaining or sharing with you, are with very minimal investment. I mean to say less than 10,000 or without any investment also you can start these business ideas. Now, in my list, the third business idea is selling homemade skincare and hair care products. Now, have you heard about homemade soaps or homemade shampoos or hair oils? Now, these homemade products, skincare or hair care products, has also a very good demand in the market. You will be surprised to know that people, I mean to say ladies or like people, they are showing more interest on homemade or less chemical or chemical free kind of skincare and hair care products. How to create all these hair care and homemade skincare and hair care stuff, I'm not going to explain you because there are plenty of YouTube videos on that. Watch those videos, understand how these hair care and skincare products are made, start creating for yourself. distribute with to your family, maybe your sister, your friends and very close relatives kind of thing. And once you get the feedback from these people, upgrade the process of making all these products and then start selling them on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp status also. And once you start selling a good number of these products, then you can also target Amazon. You can sell these things on Amazon. You can contact your nearby kirana store or supermarkets. You can rent a shelf in the supermarket. For example, Reliance Mart or any supermarket. You can rent a shelf in the supermarket. You can put your stuff there, and slowly you will see that people are showing interest to buy, or people will start buying your products once you give them good discounts or very minimal to minimal pricing. Do not sell these products in loss, but definitely with very minimal margin you can sell this product, and you can start your business. So selling homemade hair care and skin care products is the third business idea in my list. The fourth business idea in my list is selling homemade curries, lunch or dinner or breakfast, these items. Now you can also say these items as catering service. You can also start catering services from home. At the beginning, instead of investing very huge amount, I can say you can register in Swiggy or Zomato as a restaurant or as a homemade or home-based catering services. You can register in these apps, and then you can start selling, or you can distributing the food items that you prepare at home. Zomato or Swiggy people will come to your home. They will pick up the food, and they will start delivering. So with very minimal investment you can start this business, that is making home curries, home food items, and or home based catering services. Once you see good number of transaction, or once you see good number of sale, then you can approach events management companies, and you can start selling your food items in large quantity. So the fourth business idea is making homemade curries and start selling them in Zomato and Swiggy. That is also a very good business idea for people who have a very good talent of making very tasty food or good food items. The fifth business idea is starting a plant nursery. Because of this COVID and Corona thing, lot of people have started a hobby called gardening, or like showing interest in growing their own vegetables or growing their indoor plants or outdoor plants. Now, if you have a good terrace or very good place where you can put your plants and seedlings and everything, you can definitely start a plant nursery as well. If you have a good terrace, start your plant nursery from the terrace itself. Start sharing about your plant nursery or this business with your neighbors, your family, friends, and all those people. You will slowly see that people are coming to your home or coming to your terrace, and they are picking up the seedling, they are buying the seedling. So starting a plant nursery in your terrace or in your balcony is also a very good business idea. You can also use Facebook and Instagram to sell your seeds or plants or seedlings. See, there are so many groups on Facebook. Hyderabad Gardeners is definitely one of them, where I am registered as a user. And in these kind of Facebook groups, what happens is people share their ideas. People ask questions, different type of questions about their plants or gardening, and people and the group members, they respond or reply to these kind of queries. And through these groups only, lot of nurseries, they sell their maybe fertilizers or plants or seedlings, seeds, these kind of things. So joining these kind of Facebook groups or Instagram is definitely a very good idea for a person who is planning to start a plant nursery on a very small scale. The sixth business idea is making home-based jewelry. Home-based jewelry means maybe paper jewelry or floral jewelries. You may have seen lot of people who wear floral jewelry in their sangeet or mehendi ceremonies, these kind of things. Even small girls also show interest in wearing these floral jewelry. Now, floral jewelry are also homemade. Silk jewelry, silk bangles, and quill bag earrings, and also terracotta jewelry. All these jewelry items can be made at home, and they can be sold using Instagram and Facebook. I will say a lot of ladies show interest in buying this floral jewelry or terracotta jewelry. I myself am a big fan of terracotta jewelry. Wearing terracotta jewelry looks very classy. So you can also start this business, start making these jewelry at home and start selling them on Instagram with lot of hashtags, and you will see lot of people will start liking your product or they will start following you, and in that way you will be able to create a large follower base, and you can sell your products to this follower base. So making or selling home based jewelry, terracotta jewelry, silk jewelry, floral jewelry and many other type of jewelry you can start at home with very minimal investment, and you can sell using these social channels. Maybe in future you can also use Amazon as a seller, and you can start selling your products to the different part of the country as well. The seventh business idea is making pickles or jams or snacks. Snack items, I would say, like there are many different type of snack items. In Telangana or in Andhra Pradesh, in Telugu states, we have chaknalu and these kind of items. Those are mainly made in festival season. So these snack items, making these snack items, or in Christmas season in December, you can also make cakes and these kind of food items, snack items, and you can sell these items using same social media, Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp and all those channels, and you can sell these things also. Pickles, homemade jams also have lot of craze, lot of people show interest in buying all these homemade items. So all these are 7 business ideas that a homemaker or a housewife can definitely do or start with very minimal investment. Now if you are a job seeker or if you are a working professional business owner, you know someone who is a homemaker and who want to break through and come out of their shell. Now if you know such kind of homemaker or a housewife, please share this video with them. If they have any questions, ask them to call me as well. I will guide them how to start or how to break through of their shell and start any business. So if you like this video, please click the like button. You can also comment below what you think, or if I have missed any point, if you think this idea is also very good for a homemaker, put in the comment section. I will definitely pin that comment, and every other person will be able to see that comment as well. And if you feel this video has some good content, you must share this video on your WhatsApp or Facebook as well. So that is all about this video. 7 business ideas for homemakers or housewives. If you use Instagram, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Sushmita Madhu, where I post a lot of personal stuff, personal pictures and videos and family related things. You can also follow me on Instagram as well. So that is all about me. My name is Sushmita and you are watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. Thank you so much and namaste.